Have you ever been in the middle of an intense game, aiming for that perfect shot or navigating a tricky platform, only for your character to mysteriously move on its own? It feels like your controller has a mind of its own, doesn't it? This frustrating phenomenon is what gamers call controller drift, and it can really spoil the fun. So, does recalibrating an analog stick actually stop controller drift? The direct answer is that sometimes it can help, but it is not a guaranteed fix for all types of drift. It primarily addresses issues that are software-based or minor, not severe mechanical wear. Controller drift typically happens when the internal sensors of your analog stick mistakenly register input even when you are not touching it. This often comes down to two main culprits. One is physical wear and tear on the tiny internal components, especially the potentiometers, which are variable resistors that detect movement. Over time, friction and use can degrade their accuracy, sending faulty signals to your console. The second common cause is debris like dust, dirt, or even tiny food particles getting lodged inside the stick mechanism, physically obstructing its full return to the center or interfering with the sensors. Recalibration aims to reset the software understanding of the stick's central position, which is why it can correct minor software offsets but cannot fix a broken or obstructed part. To address drift, start by trying a software recalibration through your console settings or a dedicated controller app if available for your device. If that does not fully resolve the problem, carefully clean around the base of the analog stick. You can use compressed air to dislodge any trapped particles, or a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to gently clean accessible areas, making sure to let it dry completely. If these steps do not work, then the issue is likely more severe physical damage, indicating that the controller might need professional repair or replacement. Understanding the difference between a software glitch and a hardware problem is key. Most modern controllers, like the DualSense 4 PlayStation 5, use potentiometers for their analog sticks, which are prone to wear over time. Some premium third-party controllers are starting to incorporate Hall effect sensors, which use magnets instead of physical contacts. These are much more durable and less susceptible to drift because there are no physical parts to wear out or accumulate dirt. Knowing this can help you make an informed decision when purchasing your next controller. By correctly identifying whether your controller drift is a minor calibration issue, a cleaning problem, or a more serious hardware fault, you can save time and frustration. This knowledge empowers you to try the most appropriate fix first, getting you back to precise, enjoyable gaming without constantly battling against an input that has a mind of its own.